Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you how to remove easily coconut from its shell and making nutritious modak with ragi rice flour. For making nutritious modak with ragi rice flour, I have taken half cup finger millets and 1 cup basmati rice. Put both the ingredient into a mixing bowl. Rinse with water 2 to 3 times and then soak both the ingredients together for 4 hours. After 4 hours, drain out the water and take a big size bamboo strainer. Cover it with a cloth and spread the ragi and rice on the cloth. Keep aside for 10 to 12 hours. Ragi and rice should be well dried, but don't keep it under the sun. You can air dry it under the fan. Then grind both the ingredient and sieve through a strainer. Take 2 glasses of ragi and rice flour. Next, take a coconut, divide it into 2 pieces with a pestle. Put a strainer upon boiling water and keep the coconut pieces upside down. Steam the coconut pieces for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Don't allow it to completely cool. Now, using a knife or a peeler, remove the coconut from its shell like this. Cut the coconut into thick slices and then cut into small pieces. By this method, you can make easily the filling of coconut without grating it. Grind it without mixing any water. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add the ground coconut, stir well for a minute over low heat, then add spoonful of poppy seed. Keep stirring for 3 to 4 minutes until moisture evaporates. Then add half cup powdered jaggery. You can replace the powdered jaggery with brown sugar. Keep stirring over low heat until jaggery melts. After the melting of jaggery, cook just for 2 minutes. Turn on the heat, put a thick bottomed kadai, add 1 glass water, a teaspoon salt along with a teaspoon ghee. Bring it to boil. Then add 2 glass ragi and rice flour. Give a good mix and cook for 2 minutes over high heat. Put a lid, keep aside, allow it to cool. After it is slightly cool, open the lid and knead the flour into smooth dough. Press with your fingers backside and continue knead it until the dough comes together. See, the dough has come together. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Apply little ghee into your palm and now we will divide the dough into small pieces. Take a small piece of dough. Now we will shape and size the dough into a small size bowl. Start pressing from the middle and continuously rotate and press it until it forms a small size bowl like this. Then put spoonful of coconut jaggery filling. Start pinching from the edges and create pleats close to one another. You can flatten the dough with a rolling pin also. Now continuously rotate and fasten the edges and seal it. By using a knife, make cuts to look it more attractive. Repeat the same with other pieces of dough. Second easy method is you can use a modak mold. Place a piece of dough into modak mold and press it. Make some space in the middle. Put a small size coconut jaggery filling in the middle. Press it and seal it with the other small piece of dough. Then gently open it. Next we will steam the modak. Put a strainer on the boiling water and keep the pieces of modak. Place all the fluted dumpling, cover it with a wet cloth and then put a lid, steam for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the lid. See, our yummy modak is done. Ragi modak is very nutritious because it is rich with iron and calcium, good for pregnant lady and elderly people. Put a little ghee on the top and serve when it is hot. Offer this nutritious modak to Lord Ganesha because Lord Ganesha loves modak. If this video is helpful, like, share and subscribe.